Hi everyone, here we are today going to be replacing the user interface of a Broan EWP1 wall chimney hood. And the first thing you want to do is make sure the power is disconnected. Always make sure that you have your protective gear on. First steps in changing that user interface out would be removing the grease filters, and you can just lift up on this latch and the filters will pull out. I'm using the assistance of a screwdriver just because with gloves I can't get my fat finger underneath that, so I'm improvising. Alright, I'm going to get these filters put on the side here. Next, what we're going to do is we have to remove this complete light panel. There's only 2 screws holding that light panel. There's one on the left and one on the right. And we'll go ahead and I'll get those screws removed. Once that light panel is removed, you can basically set it on the side. There's some wire restraints here. You can just bend them down. That way you can move everything out of the way. Next, what we're going to do, inside this hood, up on the user interface, there's a screw right here. What we need to do is we need to remove that one screw. Once that one screw is out, this black plastic cover, you should be able to slide it, and that cover will come off and the switch assembly will come down. So I'm going to go ahead and I get this camera down here. And I'm going to go ahead and get that screw removed. Alright, I do have that screw removed, and I'm just going to pull on that black cover and slide it. Black cover comes out, and the switch assembly will slide right on out. And there you have the switch assembly. This is a quick connect. You can just pull on it. A little gentler than what I did, but I have one hand doing this. And that's it. All you need to do is to kind of reverse what you did to install the new one. Thank you.